Hello everybody, it's Dilek with Nokta Makro. I hope you're all doing fine. I know you guys have been waiting for this live. And yes, it is about the Legend update. Now let me first explain because everybody's curious as to what happened to version 1.06, right, that we put on our website. And then I believe in a couple of days, I don't even remember, yeah, I think it was given on a Friday, and then we actually removed it on Monday. So everybody has been wondering why and asking us what was wrong with it. Now let me tell you what was wrong with it. I mean, in simple words, I'm not a very technical person, but I'll try to explain to you in very simple words that there was a glitch that really never came through our tests here. If you remember, there was a procedure to be done with the frequencies. Once you update your device, it would show an M0, and you had to cycle through the frequencies and all that. So on some machines, okay, so what happened was, although you did, whether you did or did not do the procedure, even though that the M0 was invisible and we thought that it was gone, actually it was kind of, this is in simple words, again, I'm not an engineer, would get stuck and be carried over somehow, and it really passed all the tests we did, because obviously we're not making the tests on thousands of machines, when we're given an update, and it passed all our tests on the machines that we tested. But based on some of the issues some people had, we actually our engineers looked at the program and realized that that there was a glitch, and that the procedure was actually causing an issue, and on some of the machines, the M0 was being carried over and creating different issues. And there were actually somebody said the sound is terrible. Is it better now? Dave Wright, is this sound better? Because you just wrote that the sound is terrible. Okay, everybody's saying that there's something wrong with the sound. Is it better? Okay, so much better. Okay, I'm gonna continue. So now all the bugs have been cleared. Okay, we're gonna, once I'm done with the video, we are going to repost the update. Now, if you look at the update, it's gonna have exactly the same things, nothing else, because this was really this was really bug clearing. So if you look at the items, what has been updated, it's no different than the version 1.06, guys. Okay, so but we still called it a 1.07 because we did clear out the bugs, and we didn't want people to think that they were downloading 1.06. And because people wrote, oh, the 1.06 has issues, we didn't want anybody, not to, download it and get scared that they were downloading the update with the bugs. So we numbered it as 1.07. It's going to go up on our website once I'm done with this video, and you can download it. Like I said, the glitch in the software did create, not with everybody, but with under certain conditions, some performance issues. Okay, some performance issues in terms of depth and metal detection. So 1.07, guys, it's gonna go up on our website. That's number one. Number two, now I also want to clarify a few things. I think this Legend has been the detector where there has been the most speculation, and I don't even know how to describe it. So now some people have been saying that the Legend has not been tested enough and it wasn't ready for the market. Now, let me clarify this. I think Legend is one product that we have tested the most. Legend has been tested for months and months, by our testers. Then it went to the testers, around the world. They came back. We sent it again to some testers to be tested again, before we even, started shipping it. But what you need to understand when it comes to electronics, guys, okay, it's very different when you manufacture 50 items and test them versus when you start shipping thousands and thousands, okay? So, some things really surface once you start shipping in huge quantities, and we've been shipping thousands and thousands of this detector. So some things really came up, okay, once, we started shipping and once we put the unit in the hands of many, many users. But this applies to everything out there, so you understand when it comes to electronics and software. So when some people say, oh, they're updating it already, it has a lot of issues. Guess what? If you think this is not normal, then you should not be using any electronics or software, because every company gives updates all the time. I don't know if you didn't know, Apple gives updates all the time. Windows gives updates all the time. They clear bugs all the time. Now, come to our industry, okay? If you really think there's nothing wrong with my competitors' products, okay, and everything is working 100% correctly, I'm sorry to break the news, but we are one company that we watch, we read, we observe what's going on in this industry, both for our products, what people are saying, what people are doing, as well as our, of course, competitors' products. Now, it's easy for somebody to make a video trying to show the Legend inferior to a product, that's 2.5 times more just because, it's more expensive or it has to be inferior. Guys, I'm sorry, because the same product has been given updates as well, okay? At that price, and they have their own issues, and they're also trying to fix things as we are speaking now. But this is okay. Don't misunderstand me, because we are a manufacturer too. Okay, so we understand what it takes, how hard it is sometimes with electronics and update. Okay, so for us it's okay, but for people to try to make it look like Legend, is the only, product right now that's having issues. I'm sorry, guys, but if you read around, if you look around, okay, same thing is happening with my competitors' products too. You know what the difference is? Let me tell you what the difference is. No other company goes live like Nokta Makro and says, hey, Houston, we have an issue. We say this. We've always done this. When we had a problem with the Simplex, we did not hide. We did not ignore. We were not silent, and we said, we have an issue with the coils, we're stopping production. Yes, we had an issue with the 1.06. We tested it. Testers tested it. Guess what? Sometimes, if you don't come across it, you think it's okay. We tested it, we did not come across what the customers came across, and we tested so many hours on so many different machines. We never came across it until some, reports, were made. Some people had issues. That's when we had to re-look at everything. When I say we, of course, the engineers, and found the glitch. Okay, that's all there is to it. No speculation. Okay, we are not using our customers as our testers like some people suggest. These things happen. If you think this is really wrong, well, I'm sorry. This applies to all the technology companies out there. The biggest ones, okay? Even the biggest ones. And even car companies. They recall cars back, where there's safety issues. So there's a lot of like worse things happening, believe me, than my glitch in the version 1.06. Another thing is, now this unit, guy, is in the hands of thousands and thousands of people. Now, please watch videos, okay? Now you will actually understand why we have been saying do not pay more for less. If you look at unbiased videos out there, okay? Apple to apple comparison. Again, 100% we are behind our claim. Do not pay more for less, okay? We really gave you guys a brilliant product, a great product at a great price. This is the best value you can get right now in the simultaneous multi-frequency detectors, period. This is the reality, this is the truth. And from this point on, it is just gonna get better. We just started, okay? So now the next level, we're going to be working on your request. Now, of course, we're not promising you that we're going to grant every wish. It's just impossible because we're not making custom made detectors. But we're going to go through all your requests, all your wishes. We're going to do our best to give you what you want to advance this detector. Until then, have legendary hunts. Enjoy the 1.07. Nokta Makro loves you. Do you have any questions? Oh, somebody mentioned the beach. There has been no change. There was nothing wrong with the beach part, by the way. It affected, other things. So the beach, was updated already and everybody loved it already. It is stable. It is deep. It's impressive and it still is. So, so that you know. If what Dilek says is that not because they're sending updates for the legend, is it wrong? Simple, just listening to us customers and making it better every single day. Thank you. I was at the beach with update 1.06 and it was great. Thank you so much. The stability, he's saying it was great. Have a great day. Thank you for keeping us updated. No, thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. Okay, you guys are very valuable for us. Seriously. I mean, we are all human. We all make mistakes. We learn from each other. Our main goal is to keep you happy and to be an honest and transparent company. Okay? Cheers from Mexico. Cheers. Keep up the good work. Thank you. If you don't have any questions, I don't want to keep you, online. I want you to go, update your devices. Oh, by the way, guys, please, I almost forgot. This is very, very important. Even if you have no issues with the 1.06, please update to 1.07, okay? Because the 1.06 did have a glitch, okay? Please update to 1.07 because not everybody is having issues, okay? Maybe you have not come across an issue so far, but still, please do update to 1.07. And somebody asked whether you need to restart or not. No, you don't need to restart. You can just update. When is the 6-inch coil coming out? We're starting. It's out. We're starting the shipments of the large coils and the 6-inch coils now. It's 1.07. Yes, it is 1.07. It's going to go up on our website now. Any other questions? Any other questions? Mark, I actually tried to explain it in the simplest words because I'm not that technical. It was at the beginning of the video, so I don't want to waste anybody's time. You can maybe watch it again. Thank you. Please hurry up with the pinpointer. We're trying our best. We love you guys. Okay? Take care. Bye.